Hey everybody, what's up? It's Juan again on another video. This time working on a Honda Accord 2006. It's the same prelude, coupe that I have, two-door coupe. So basically what happened was I was driving for a long period of time and the AC stopped working. I checked the fuses, everything was fine as for power at the AC clutch. No leaks in the system, so everything was fine there. So I took a look at the clutch, took it off, and you guys are gonna see what I found out. It's pretty crazy. So I'm also gonna put in the links where I got the AC pulley from, just in case you have to replace one on your own Honda Accord. This works from like 2003 all the way to 2007 or 8, but the idea is the same with Civics as well. So if you are looking at this video, definitely like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys. What's up? Just recording a little bit of something that I'm doing to the Honda Accord today. So I noticed that the clutch was not working properly on the AC. You would see the clutch trying to grab, and this is what happened. Magnet fried, which then overheated the wheel bearing. And then over time this was not able to grab anymore. So I ended up going online. I've got a similar. The only thing I'm worried about is this little section right here. Hopefully that shouldn't give me an issue, but we'll find out. Magnet doesn't look too bad. And I got a new pulley. Now we got a new clutch as well. So it was a little hard to get to. What you have to do is actually get this little clamp off the inside to get the magnet off, and to get the pulley off you needed to get, where is that? Threw it somewhere. Looked like another little clip, but this one was a little bit special. It had like teeth on it or something. Finally got that washer on, that clip. That's to hold the pulley in place. All right. So right now the AC is off. What I want to see is the clutch is not spinning. Ah, look at that. On. So I had to take off the alternator to actually get to the bottom bolts, because there's a bolt underneath that holds down the bracket for the wire, arrow wire, and the ground wire. Everything's spinning smoothly, no noise. Time to close it up and go for a test drive.